Hey guys, we received this ONCAI men's clog sleepers with a really nice comfortable foot support and the memory foam. So this is for the foam is warm and is good for the winters. So let me just open up this packing and show you the things. So let me just take out all this packing stuff so I can show you everything. So now like you can see it's a cushionable memory foam here with a warm feel and the good feel, and then from the top also the side things and the sole is also nice. So it's a good quality sole and a good quality sleepers, the warm sleepers. It fits really well in your feet and then feels really cushionable and comfortable while walking also. This looks nice as a memory foam, and then with a warm touch it's good for the winters while walking.